Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at the Taylor 314. But before we do so, I'll strongly encourage you to sign up for the Acoustic Letter. Not only will you get the full photo shoot delivered to your email, not only will you get every photo shoot and video delivered to your email, but you're going to receive pricing and all the other extras that come with the Acoustic Letter. On to the Taylor 314. This is an absolute workhorse of a guitar from the folks at Taylor. It is probably their most popular guitar, if not the most popular guitar that they make. The 314 has a Sitka spruce top. This one in particular has a really nice amount of bear claw in it, which is just subtle figuring in the top. We have an ebony bridge with a tusk saddle, ebony bridge pins, standard white-black rosette, nice black binding with a white-black purfling. On the back and sides, we have sapelli, which is very, very closely related to mahogany. Sounds very similar. In a satin finish, gloss on top. We have an ebony fingerboard with small dot inlay, mahogany neck, tusk nut, chrome Taylor tuners, classic rosewood head plate with Taylor inlaid in the top, and this guitar is ready to go. So let's give this Taylor 314 a play so you can hear what it sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.